Hi, I'm Sophie Anderson from Cairns Coaching. All my workshops and presentations are designed to boost health, productivity, and engagement through evidence-based tools drawn from cognitive behavioral therapy, positive psychology, and self-leadership principles. They're practical, engaging, and always tailored to real-life challenges. So many people run out of steam by 3 p.m., or they feel like they're always behind, even when they're doing their best. This session helps people rethink self-care, not as bubble bath, chocolate, or a holiday, but as moment-to-moment energy management. It's about learning how to recharge, maintain momentum, and show up as your best self, even when things get really intense and when there are a lot of people who need us. The results are people who are working on the right things with more energy, more positivity, less resentment, and fewer crashes. And that shift has a ripple effect across their personal and professional realms. Each topic works beautifully on its own or as part of a complete personal development series. They are here to reduce stress, build self-awareness and self-leadership, and transform your team from the inside out. Contact me if you're ready to create a happier, healthier team together.